Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. In this video, we are going to do class 7 mathematics, that is chapters area, ratio and proportion, in which we have seen the introduction. Now we are going to do the sums in exercise 3.1. The first one is fill in the blanks. We'll take the sums one by one. The first one is ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 5. I have written the question here. Ratio, you know what is symbol of ratio? It is to, of rupees 3 to rupees 5. Before you write it as a ratio, what you should see first, you must check one thing in the given question. That is, the given two numbers are in the same units. See, 3 also rupees, 5 is also rupees. What are the units here? Rupees is the unit. So both the numbers are in the same unit. If the numbers are in the same unit only, we can compare them in a ratio. This you should make it very clear before you do the sum. Okay, children? Suppose if the same sum is rupees 3 to, if it is rupees 3 to 200 pies. Rupees 3 to 200 pies. One is this, here it is rupees and here it is pies. Then we cannot form the ratio because here the unit is rupees, here the unit is pies. They are different units. You should change rupees into pies and then only we can form the ratio. This is what I mean by check whether the units, the numbers are in the same units. Now here it's not a problem. Both the numbers are in rupees. So directly just we have to write the ratio. Rupees 3 to rupees 5. That is 3 is to 5. That's all, the sum is over. Now you check whether you can cancel 3 and 5. Do they have a common factor? No, they don't have a common factor. So that's all the answer. The first sum is over. Shall we move on to the second one? The second one, ratio of 3 meters to 200 centimeter. Look at the units here. 3 meters, 200 centimeter. Are they same? No, the units are different. So before you find the ratio, we have to change the units into same. Converting meter is greater unit to smaller unit is very easy. We all know the table of length. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, what is 3 meters? 3 into 100, which is 300 centimeter. Now we have to find the ratio of 300 centimeter to 200 centimeter. Okay, both are in centimeter, units are same. So we can just write the ratio. It is 300 centimeter to 200 centimeter. Now we can write it in simplest form because it is nothing but 300 by 200. What is the operation involved in ratio? It is division. A ratio can be written as a fraction, 300 by 200. And you can write it as a fraction and cancel, or we can cancel as it is in the ratio itself. We can cancel 0 and 0. What are we doing if you cancel by 0? If you cancel 0, we are dividing by 10 tables. Okay. And then again divide 0 and 0, cut 0 and 0, divide once again by 10. So we get 3 is to 2 is our final answer. Next is ratio of 5 kilometer 400 meters to 6 kilometers. See here the unit is kilometer. And what is the unit here? 5 kilometer and 400 meters. Kilometers and meters both are there. So first let us convert this 5 kilometers 400 meters into, what is it? Into kilometer, or 6 kilometers into meter. We'll convert both of them into meters. It is easy now. We know 1 kilometer is, what is 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Therefore, 5 kilometer is 5 into 1000, 5000 meters. Plus we have here 400 meters. So 5000 plus 400 we get 5400 meters. First one we have done. Now take the second one. 6 kilometer. Take the second one. 6 kilometer is same thing. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 6 kilometers is 6 into 1000. That is 6000 meters. Did you understand? 5 kilometers. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 5 kilometer is 5 into 1000, 5000. And we have 400 meters also again. So 5000 plus 400 becomes 5400 meters. So we have converted this into 5400 meters. Now second one is 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers equal to 6 into 1000. That is 6000 meters. Now see, both are in meters now. We can find the ratio easily. 5400 is to 6,000. Can we cancel zeros? Yes, cancelling 0 means dividing by 10. 0, 0, 0, 0. And check 54 and 60. Both come in which table? If you are thorough with the tables, it is easy to find. Yes, both come in 6 tables. How many times 6 goes in 54? 6 nines are 54 and 6 tens are 30. Say 6 tables. 6 nines are 54. So this 9 is the quotient for us. And 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. So which is the answer for us? This quotient is 10. 6 nines are both are divisible by 6 tables. So 6 nines are 54 is 9 is the answer. 6 tens are 60, 10. And 9 and 10, they don't have a common factor. So it is in simplest form. We cannot cancel further. Okay, so that's all. Sum is over. Okay, the next one, ratio of 75 pies to rupees 2. Are the units same? Please tell me children, are the units same? It is pies and here rupees. Are they same? No. So let us convert rupees into pies. That is easy. 2 rupees equal to what is 1 rupee? How many pies is there in 1 rupee? Yes, 1 rupee is 100 pies. Therefore, 2 rupees 2 into 100 which is 200 pies. Now we have 75 pies and 200 pies. Can we find the ratio? Yes, but the ratio is 75 pies to 200 pies. So which should come first? 75 should come first. 75 pies to 200 pies. Both are in pies. Do you know why are we changing? Why can't we write 75 is to 2? Because the units are different. We have to make it into the same unit. So 1 rupee is 100 pies. 2 rupees is 2 into 100, 200. Now both the units are same. Now 75 pies to 200 pies is 75 is to 200. Now these two numbers are ending with 5. So we can divide by 5. Cancel by 5. We cancel. Divide by 75 by 5. 5 ones are 5. After 5, 6 and 7. 2 is the remainder. Carry with the next number. 5 5s are 25. And here it is easy. 5 4s are 20 and this 0. 15 and 40. Again we know 5 tables. It's the easiest table. Both come in 5 tables. So divide by 5 again. Tell 5 tables till you get 15. 5 3s are 15 and 5 8s are 40. Now 3 and 8. Do they have a common factor? That is, what do they both come in the same table? 3 and 8? No, 3 is odd number and also prime number. It comes only in 3 tables. And 8 comes in 2 tables and 4 tables. But still, there is no common factor. Both the numbers do not come in the same table. So it is in the simplified form or simplest form. That's all. The sum is over for us. Now we'll go to question number 2. It is true or false. First one is the ratio of 130 centimeter to 1 meter is 13:10. When it is true or false, you just don't look at the answer. You just see only the question. You solve that sum. We'll do that sum and see what answer we are getting. Then you can compare your answer with the answer given in the question. If both are same, it is true. If you are not getting the same answer, then it is false. So it is 130 centimeter to 1 meter. What is it? 130 is centimeter. Unit is centimeter here. Here unit is meter. Units are different. So we cannot find the ratio straight away. First of all, let us convert the greater unit meter to centimeter. What is 1 meter, children? Yes, 1 meter. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? It is the long scale which we use in the cloth shop and all. When you are buying cloth for to stitch your shirt and all, shirt and skirt. When you go to the shop and buy, the shopkeeper will measure in the long scale. That's called meter scale. How many centimeters are written there? 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So now 130 centimeter is to 100 centimeter. Okay. How to cancel? Both the numbers ending with 0. We can divide by 10. Dividing by 10 means just cancelling 0, 0. Now 13 and 10. 13 is a prime number which is not divisible by any other number. That is, it doesn't come in any other table. Only one table and 13 table. So 13 is to 10 is the answer. And in the book also it is given the same 13 is to 10. So this is true. Okay. Now let us see the next one. One of the terms in a ratio cannot be 1. What is it? What are the terms? If you have A is to B, this A and B are called the terms. And what does it say? The question says we cannot have a ratio like 5 is to 1 or 1 is to 5. One of the terms, the 5 and 1 are called the terms. the statement says the one of the terms cannot be 1. No, it can be 1. The terms can be 1. It can be 5:1, or we can have 1:1:7. So we can have ratio like 5:1 and 1:5. One of the terms in the ratio, it can be 1. So cannot be 1 is wrong. It can be 1. Now we'll go to the next one. Find the simplified form of the following ratios. What is simplified form? Just we have to cancel. If both come in the same table, we have to cancel them and write. Look at it. 15 and 20. It is so easy. Both come in 5 tables. For ending with 5 and 0 comes in 5 tables. Let us cancel by 5. So it is simplify them. Both 15 and 20 come in 5 tables. So tell 5 tables. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 3:4 is the answer. Next one. 32:24. If you are thorough with the tables, when you cancel by greater tables, the sum gets over in one step itself. 32 and 24. Are you all thorough with the tables? Yes, it comes in 8 tables. 4 8s are, if we cancel by 8 tables, 8 4s are 32, 8 3s are 24. Tell 8 tables, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 42. 4 and 3, they don't have a common factor. It is in simplified form. 7 and 15, next one. 7 and 15, do they come in the same table? 7 is a prime number. It comes in only one table and 7 table. But 15 is divisible by 3 tables and 5 tables. But both 7 and 15, they are not divisible by any same table. So it is 7:15 is already in simplified form. We cannot cancel further. That itself is the question itself is the answer. Looking at this, 12:27. Children, are you all learning the tables every day, morning and evening once? Then only all the sums becomes easy for you. The basic is be thorough with the tables, at least from 1 to 12, minimum of 1 to 12. Okay. Now 12 and 27. Yes, it both come in 3 tables. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. Okay, 4 and 9, they don't have a common factor. It comes in 2 tables, but 9 is in 3 tables. They don't have a common factor. Now go to 75:100. Ending with 5 and 0. Both are divisible by 5 tables. So you divide 75 by 5. 5 1s are 5. After 5, 6 and 7. 2 is the remainder. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now 100. Take 10. 5 2s are 10 and 1 0. 5 2s are 10. There is no remainder. And next number 0 we cannot divide. Put as it is. Suppose if numbers are big, if you are not able to follow, you can divide like this. 75 divided by 5. Normal division. You divide, you get the same answer. Then 100 you divide by 5 and this quotient gives you this answer. Okay. Now 15 and 20, again 5 tables. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. You should be very careful which one to write. 5 3s are 15, this 3 is the quotient. Okay. Now 5 4s are 20, means this 4 is the answer. That quotient is 4. Okay. So I hope you all have understood all these sums in this exercise, and rest of the sums we'll do to the next exercise. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, children.